What's up, YouTube?
This is C-Night from the Dove.
Shamour, baby.
Getting dog shit out. Kicking it at Kings Park with all the homies. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, man?
So what you check out my homie Home to the Rock.
Going to church, baby.
I ride with love. I slide with love. Loads and loads from the LBC. All of the hoes wanna get with me. Cause I run with Warren G. Praise the weed, Masters and G.
What do you mean?
Okay.
What I blow fighters, low riders, east siders. All come around.
This is Boonaville, baby. Chingo Boonaville.
Got my boy in the back. Now let him.
Elmo down.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Boonaville. This is Boonaville,
AKA the Chuckle Foot.
Michael Jordan.
3 months of pleasure. How can I measure the relaxation? All the fun I'm facing. My homies got
Hello now, I love you.
for sure.
I love you.
So I can get a photo. Man, because I'm rushing to the park to munch, standing in line to get a free lunch. Why do we do what we do? What we do? What we do? Hanging out late with no curfew.
Here is a rat in the back. And a sweet again. Sweet again. And I still get it out again.
It's hot in the mother. Smothering barbecue sauce.
It's Boonaville.
If they reach across my barbecue grill, so continue to chill at Kings Park in the LBC. That's where you find me, hanging with my homies and my friends. We got the cocaine, we got the 5 and the 20, and the DLG.
Blend them all.
Summertime in the LBC. It's summertime in the LBC.
Right.
It's a music. Good for the bodies.